Hello everyone! In this video, I will demonstrate how to utilize Project.co for project management. You can join in with this tutorial by clicking the link provided in the description below. Let's get started. Now, let's navigate to Project.co. If you haven't signed up for an account yet, you should do that first. If you already have an account, simply log in and it will redirect you to the home page. This is how your dashboard will appear. From here, you'll see sections such as your projects, tasks, time, payments, and files. You'll also find all these options or sections on the left-hand side. You'll notice Dashboard Projects, where you can create new projects and view all your created projects. You'll see templates here, along with your tasks. You can also add people to help with your project right here, and you can view groups and the files you have uploaded, as well as payments. The time section is also available here. Now, let's discuss how to use Project.co or how to manage projects. In the Project section, click on New Project located in the top left corner and you will see this page. You will need to name your project. Before we name our project, let's look at these options. Editing the project image, editing the cover image, or starting with a template. If you're going to create a new project from scratch, let's edit the project image. From here, you can choose a group image. You won't see anything here because I haven't uploaded any images yet. If you have, you will see all the uploaded images right here. You can also upload a new image, select an emoji, or search for images on Unsplash. Let's say we search for simple, and as you can see, there are many different images to choose from. Let's select one of these. Now, let's edit our cover image by searching Unsplash for light blue to match our project image. Now, let's name our project. For now, I will use Test. You'll see the dates here, allowing you to select the date you created the project, the start date, and set a deadline. Let's say you want this project to be completed in a week. You can also set the privacy settings to be visible to all creators and invited collaborators or only to invited people. Additionally, you can add groups here and you will see the creator's name. You are the creator of this project. You can also add co-creators and collaborators here. Now, let's start with a blank project description. For this, I will input test description for test project. Now, let's click on Create Project. Now that we have created our project, we will see various options right here. Let's click on Add Tools and you will see the core tools for the project. Let's say we want to add tasks, notes, and time for tracking purposes. When you scroll down, you'll notice third-party tools available here. There are numerous third-party tools you can use for your project. If you want to use Google Drive or Google Docs, you'll find all the Google Workspace apps listed here. I will choose Google Drive. You need to create a Google Drive link, so just enter the name here along with the URL and an optional description. Let's click on I'm done adding tools. Now you will see it right here. When you click on Tasks, you will find that there are no tasks listed yet. You can create a new task for your teammates or team members. Let's name it Day 1. You can enter the task description here. To create the task, simply click Create and then Continue. As you can see, a new task has been added. Here, you can view the date and you can edit it here. You can also assign a team member to work on this task. If you have added team members, their names will appear here. Let's go back to the project now. When we select Notes, you will see that there are no notes available here, so let's create one. You might want to provide guides for your team members on how to complete their tasks. Let's call it Guide Note. Returning to the previous view, every tool within your project can be accessed by all your team members. Here, you can monitor their progress and they can also edit this. If you want to show completed tasks, just select Yes, and you will see all the tasks that have been completed. For instance, if I'm the one working on this task, I can click Complete to mark it as done. After posting the dialog, you will see that the status of this task is now marked as complete. This is essentially how it works. You can create projects using the online platform project.co and keep track of all the tasks. You can also set up meetings. Simply click on Add Tools to integrate various tools according to your project needs. You can even link a Zoom call for your project. If you have a scheduled Zoom meeting, it will also be visible on this board. This is how you can use project.co for project management. Make sure to give it a try yourself by using the link included in the description below.